Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Mari from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today we're presenting you the brand new product we start carrying in a Class B. It is the Road Trek. Finally, after 20 years chasing this product, we got it right now at Best RV. So Best RV Center in Trolla, California. It's an official dealer for Road Trek. Today we're presenting you the brand new 2025 Road Trek Chase 50 sitting on a Ram chassis. As you see, this is a beautiful motorhome sitting on a Ram. Road Trek, they are the founders of a Class B motorhome. I mean, they came way long time ago from the 80s and the 90s on this Class B, and everybody started copying them. So they are unique. They made in Canada, and they understand what is mean quality installations, extreme cold weather. So it's amazing. One of the features I really personally like about the Road Track is they give you electric step on a Class B. All the Class B with other brands we carrying, they do not provide a step. They just have a solid step. But the Road Track, simple thing. I mean, you could see it's automatic step every time you open the cargo door, the step coming in. Even on the passengers and the drivers, when you open the passengers, like for some old people, they want it easy to get in, so they make it so easy to get in the Class B. Versus the other competitor brands, they don't have that. They have just a solid step, and that's it. But this one, it gives you the ability, cleaner, for easy for camping, and easy to get it inside and outside. So these kind of features you're gonna find on Road Trek Class B motorhomes. They have a beautiful, the big power awning. Another advantage, look how big this floodlight. They have one in this side and one the other. Whereas the other competitor used just the LED strip underneath the awning, but they give you a big lighting underneath the awning. Another feature they do in Road Trek, the amount of the cargo they give you in the back. So they give you like storage cargo, like compartment cargo doors. Whereas the competitor, they do not. They have even place for your table in the door. Some other manufacturer, they just throw it at the back and they call it, here's your table. But at least you have a spot where you could put your table, and there's a spot for your leg. I mean, these kind of things, quality they offer in their Class B motorhome. Sorry, let me just put this back. I put it in the wrong positions. And another advantage, what I really like, they have, it's a true docking stations. They have a cover compartment for your black water tank and the shower. So this is not cassette toilet. Majority of the Class B, they have what's called cassette toilet. In this particular unit, it has a holding tank. So it has a black water tank, gray water tank, and a fresh water tank. Another thing you notice here is the step for the drivers. These kind of features, what Road Trek they provide you. So this is the Ram Chase 50, which mean it has 2 single bed in the back with a bathroom in the middle. Let's go check inside. The Chase 50, they provide you with the full kitchen, so you have a nice solid extension table, and you could see it's a solid. Even the table is a solid service. Nice big one-piece sink with rise faucet, and then this faucet is a spray faucet too. We have induction stove, and then also all their cabinet is a solid. Even the shelf, look inside the shelf how solid the finishing. I mean, this is built based on finishing quality. Solid door, self closing. Then you have a nice microwave. From the kitchen, we have a nice pantry. I love the pantry. Even they give you a lip, not just a shelf and say, here's a pantry. And then you just push this one. So now it's locked. So you push it. It's open. Look how big this drawer. You could fill it with all kinds of cooking. Then you have a separate freezer, separate fridge, big one, and you could see it's a 5.7 cubic. And then we have on both sides in this particular floor plan is cabinet. Look how they have the lock-in positions, and then I like you could stop it anywhere you want it. So you have one over here, you have another closet here. There's even the solar charger. So this unit comes with the solar charger. And then this is the leg for the table you could put in between. And there's even doors for if you want doors for, you know, right here. You open it both ways. There's one here. There's another one down there. And then there's a storage right there. And then another storage. Look how big. All this is storage. Now, the beauty about this one is seat people. You could sit people here. This here. You could also make it as single bed. If I want just one person sleeping here without turning anything to bed. Okay. And voila. I could sleep one person here. I could sleep another person there if I want. Or it come with a board. I could go in between and make it one big bed. So if you and your wife and you want a one bed, you could do that. Put the boards in between, put the cushions and one bed. If you want two single beds, no problem. Just move that piece. And as you see, this piece is you could push on it and go back. Also, I like about this, they give you this extra cushions, or you could put here so you and your friends have a cup, drinks. Somebody sit here, somebody sit there, somebody sit there. You have a nice TV. I mean, just a simple thing. People, they don't see quality. Even they give you a cover on this TV, whereas the other people, they just throw you, here's a TV. They give you a nice TV, even with the cover, to make sure it's being taken care. I mean, this is what is a quality, and they pride in their built. So this is not mass production motorhome. This is a quality motorhome, and this is a 12-volt TV. You can run up the battery. As usual, Class B, they come with a Truma AC, and it has also on-demand hot water heater. In the other models of Class B, other manufacturer, they use the furnace as a hot water heater and a furnace. Whereas on the road trek chase, they have separate hot water heater, endless, on demand, separate unit, and then there's a separate unit for furnace. As well, you have a separate unit for AC. So that's even better. So you don't have one item work for both, like the other brand. This one is separation. You have a furnace, you have a heater, and you have an AC. Now, when you come to the bathroom, I like what they did is this curve here. In this curve, it gives you more elbow over here. So when I close it, now I have more elbow when I take the shower inside my bathroom. And then they have a towel rack. They have nice curtains, come with it, shower head, separate sink. So I'm sitting here, I could wash my hands here. I could take a showers. I could do my business, number one or number two, whatever. And I have very roomy. And as I see, it's a holding tank. It's not a cassette toilet. That is a big deal. It gives you more ability to stay longer, and you don't have to carry anything in your hand. Everything through the sewer hose. And then when I'm done, I just close it. Voila, and then I could latch it for traveling mode. I love the seating. They have the leather seating, not the cheapy cloth. And then they have over here the fuse box, the light, reading light. As I said, it has two camera, one camera on reverse, and one camera is live all the time, and you could turn it off. It has adaptive cruise control. All the beauty about the Ram chassis is on it. So we are so excited about having the road trick at Best RV Center. This is the first Chase 50 coming to Best RV. So come grab it. We have awesome price at $139.99, the lowest price on this road trick in this side of the country.